Hello there and welcome to Caldo's Caldo behind the camera. I'm today doing this video of a lovely salad kind of thing that we're going to make for my lovely nighttime snack. For the stuff that you'll need to use for your kitchen stuff, you'll need a grater, quite a big one I would suggest. Don't use a small one, use one of these big ones. Get a plate, and you'll have to get a bowl to put all your stuff into, okay? Also, ingredients for this, you'll need to get some salt, a carrot, 1 carrot, cucumber, tomatoes, a wee bit of salad. To start off, you're going to get a chopping board and a knife. Going to chop your carrot into 2 bits. And I thought I needed a plate. You don't actually need the plate now. Just the chopping board. Okay. Get your grater, you're going to grate down like this and make some grated carrot. As you can watch there. Please watch your fingers at the end of the carrot. That's about enough. Take your second bit of carrot and do it again. I like just a salad with salt. And that should finish that, okay? Just take all the grated carrot out. And as you can see, that's your grated carrot. I'm going to put that into your bowl. So I've just chopped a little wash. And leave that Okay. Next you're going to take your chopping board and you're going to chop some tomatoes. 1, 2, we'll do 3. 3. You're going to place them into your bowl again. Next you're going to take some cabbage or some lettuce or whatever you've got. This should be enough. You're going to chop finely. Take the lettuce and put it in your hand like this. Okay. Scrunch it together, hold and chop finely. Remember, whenever you're chopping, use your hands like this and chop, chop, chop. Turn it round and do it again. Once you've done that, you can put that in your bowl. And once again, you're going to wash the chopping board. Okay. Now you're going to take your cucumber and you're going to chop it in half. Only taking a wee bit of it. So we'll take this side, okay? Put the other bit in the fridge. I'm going to take the paper off this now. Be careful when doing it. Take the paper off, and then you're going to take your grater and use this bit here and take small bits. Then take another small bowl once you've finished this. Place all your cucumber into the small bowl, and then you're going to put some water in it. Let it sit for about 3 minutes. A small bowl, some cold water. You want it freezing this water. You're going to place all your cucumber into the small bowl of water. And again, just wash this chopping board. And when you're finished with that, we're going to talk about some stuff that you can make with your family. You can make coleslaw and different things. The last thing you're going to do with your ingredients, now I've got some special ingredients and some raspberries, as you can see here. I'm going to place them into the mixture, as it makes it a lovely mixture indeed. And start mixing it round. It's lovely the way it happens out. And your cucumber soaking in cold water, which is lovely. It makes the it makes the cucumber feel happy. And if you want any ingredients for these things, we've got a web page from, I think it's Callum's Cooking or something, and sometimes the videos go straight onto that. But you can check on Facebook, we've got one on it, it's Callum's Cooking, and this video should be going onto Facebook to find out how we made it and what your ingredients are. Now once you've done that, it's sat for about 5 minutes. Just going to take your hand, put it inside the water, you're going to squeeze it and drain the water. The cucumber's now drained. Put that into your wee bowl. Mix it around, and voila! You've made a lovely, delicious cucumber salad. All you're going to do is season it with salt. Give it a wee mix round. Season it one more. Thanks for watching. You've seen how easy it is today to make this lovely salad, as I can show you here. It looks fantastically nice. I suggest you would enjoy it, and please check out my Facebook channel at Callum's Cooking. I'll see you later. Alright? Try this cucumber. Oh, and a wee bit of asparagus on it. Find out more on Callum's Kitchen Cooking Today. Thanks for watching and goodbye.